Welcome to solverfy.
What is a metabolome? So you've probably heard of the genome and the proteome before, and maybe even the transcriptome, but maybe not the metabolome. First, let's look at the words, what they have in common. They all end in O-M-E, which is essentially a suffix that designates all of those kinds of molecules. So a proteome is all of the proteins, a genome is all of the genes, and a transcriptome is all of the transcripts. So it is the totality of a particular molecule. So basically, a metabolome refers to the collection of all of molecules that can be considered metabolites. And metabolites are things that are metabolized, right? Things that are processed in the cell. So, for example, what I have shown here on the right-hand side is glycolysis. Okay, and what I'm going to underline in black are proteins. These are enzymes. So pyruvate kinase, enolase, so all of these guys that end up with ACE and that are written in blue, those are enzymes, those are proteins, and those are part of the proteome. Now, the guys that they act on, the molecules that are being changed. So basically, we have pyruvate going into phosphoenol pyruvate going into phosphoglycerate. These are the metabolites, and these guys are part of the metabolome. Okay, so and obviously the genes that encode for the proteins that are doing this stuff, they would be part of the genome. Okay, so let's look at our answer choices. What is a metabolome? A provisional listing of the genome of a species? No, it doesn't have to do with the gene. It has to do with metabolites. Choice B, a unique metabolite is used to identify an individual. Perhaps, but that is not what a metabolome is. Choice C, a method for protein analysis. No, it's not a method. It is a designation. Choice D, the complete set of metabolites related to the genetic makeup of an organism. That is our answer. Choice D.